Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can be able to get SEO rank maths for free. For premium version of it, you can get it for free. So all you need to do in this video is just to stay with me to this video. I will step you step by step guide how you can be able to get it for yourself. This will be just three step guide how you can be able to get it for yourself. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe right now. And this video, disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose. I'm not teaching you how to go and start getting any premium listing for free. This is going to be given to you for free. So this is a disclaimer. This video is just for educational purpose. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. And if you have subscribed, I really appreciate for your subscription. We appreciate it. We love you and we appreciate everything you do for this channel. See you in the. Let's go to the laptop now to start up with our video right now. So when we come to let's go to our plugins. So from your plugins now, you can see that we don't have anything like SEO rank marked here. So all we are going to do, let's say what we have here before is Yoast SEO, Yoast plugin, and the rest of it. So what we are going to do now, we are going to follow the step-by-step guide in order for to upload this thing right now in our system. So in our WordPress website. So what we are going to do, let's click on add new. You know the steps of adding new plugin. In case if you have a plugin that is not inside, maybe the one that you bought from outside, how you do it, you upload. So what you're going to do now, we're going to upload. So we click on upload plugin. Then you hear now that we see choose file. We click on choose file. Then we are going to get this folder right now. This folder right now. This folder. There's a folder called premium. So let me just get the folder right now. Okay, this folder. So as I don't click the folder now, you can see the things that are in the folder. So this folder now, I will give you access to this folder at the first link below this video. So subscribe so that you will be getting free things like this. So the link to this folder will be at the description box below. So once you click on this now, we are okay. What we want to install is what SEO by Rank Math Pro. So I will click on open. So once I click on open right now, you tell me install. Then I will click on install now. So as I click on install now, we just wait for it just for some minutes for it to install for me. So as it's installing right now, if you have not subscribed, what is holding you? And if you have subscribed, appreciate. So the next thing I need to tell you about this plugin is just that all you need to do, this is a plugin I use for SEO. You already know, because for you to be searching for Rank Math Pro or SEO, you already know what you are using it for. So it's basically for SEO. We are using it for our SEO. We want to use it for our search engine optimization. I will also be showing you in this video on this channel how you can be able to use this Rank Math, or you can use SEO in order for you to rank #1 on your Google or as a blogger or any of your on your website. So this seems to be taking time. So this seems to be taking time. So what I'm going to do now, I will pause this video right now. Then once it comes to this system, then I'll come. So as you can see right now, we already have activate right now. Let's just do what activate it now to see how our plugin will be working for us. So we click on activate. So you can see this thing is lovely, it's making sense. So we click on activate. So we are waiting for it to activate. Just some minutes. It's working slowly but steady, slowly but steady. Yes. It's about, we have gotten our plugin. So our plugin has been finally activated. So let's just see the preview of how it will look like. So every premium version of this plugin has been given to us right now, just for free. So all you need to do, use the first link below this video, click on it, get this plugin for yourself right now. Let me show you something good about this plugin, what we just installed right now. So we have the Rank Math, then we have the Rank Math Pro already installed for us right now. We have the Rank Math Pro. So just see it like this. This is the Rank Math Pro installed for us right now. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. All I want from you, if you are not subscribed, subscribe and share this video for as many people as you can. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even on your WhatsApp, so that people can get this for free for themselves. See you in the next video. Bye for now. We love you. Peace.